Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Marina and I don't know what it is about this year, but I am ready to decorate for Christmas. Normally I am so bummed when I have to take down my fall and Halloween decorations because if you know me, then you know I am all about Halloween, but not this year. And I actually recorded this video a week before Thanksgiving. This video is hosted by Kristen's Chaotic Life and Clueless Mama D. They both have amazing channels, so I definitely recommend you check them out. And there will also be a playlist with a bunch of other videos, so if you need any extra decorating ideas, go check them out. I will leave the links down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!
I sit in silence. Nobody can hear me, not even when I'm crying. I need someone to save me. I never know which road I'm supposed to take. Every choice I make gives me headache. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? Am I insane? Am I insane? Am I insane? I sit in silence. Nobody can see me. Nobody can see me. I wonder, can you hear me? I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
Join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Ooh. cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. This is mine.